The winds are howling.
Yes, they are.
I lost an eyebrow during dinner break. No.
Hey, I'm like looking for it. I'm like, you're right over here,
wait,
but where
right.
is it?
No, it is really windy. You saw Alicia and her hair blowing strong in the winds right now. And I'm going to show you the wind speeds, how long they're going to last. But right now, a wind advisory in effect. Let's go outside and show you the flags. Right here on the hill of Ken's 5, we've got Old Glory from right to left. Whenever we see that, we know it's a north wind, and it is moving. All right, let's start with current conditions, which are going to show you sustained wind speeds, which are at 22 miles per hour. Temperature, by the way, has slipped into the upper 50s already. Dew point nice and low at 48. Remember, that was in the mid-60s this afternoon and even yesterday. All right, so 59 degrees, but again, the winds. 22 miles per hour sustained, but look at the gusts. That's a tropical storm. Speed. 39 miles per hour, 42 at New Braunfels, 40 at Seguin, 38 at Hondo, 40 up at Kerrville, even Del Rio at 37. And now the wind speeds are closer to 30 as we get down to Cotulla. Now, after midnight, we got 43 in the city, 40 at New Braunfels. So the winds aren't going anywhere. In fact, 30s all through the overnight on the gusts. And so Saturday at 8 a.m., we still expect gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour. Then the winds will start backing off as we get into Saturday evening. So I still think even early Saturday afternoon is going to be very windy. But the wind advisory goes until 10 a.m. So we're expecting the advisory criteria speeds to sustain at about 10 or 11 a.m. But make sure if you can now, of course, the winds are howling right now. Try to secure any objects. It's a little late on cutting the tree limbs, but I was mentioning that a little bit earlier. Now, temperatures are dropping quick, too. 47 now, Fredericksburg, 46, Rock Springs. Compare that to 70 at Pearsall and Cotulla, mid-60s in the city and metro. But we're going down to the mid-40s Saturday morning, upper 30s across the hill country. Nobody's going to freeze. But with wind speeds like this, we would get a lot colder if we didn't have them, I'll tell you that. So no doubt the front is to our south. We still have some pretty good rain northeast Texas. And now these lines, the isobars, remember, this is connecting the dots of equal air pressure. So all along this line are equal areas of barometric pressure. Well, what's going to happen is as these lines stack up, you get what's called a tight pressure gradient. That's why we have the winds we have. And why we're going to have the wind chills we're going to have. Tomorrow morning at 7:30, it's going to feel like the 30s and even below freezing to even 28 on a feels like in Rock Springs. As we get into mid-morning hours, we'll finally get the feels like out of the 40s into the 50s, but it's going to be a cold day tomorrow, especially that north wind. It's going to be a beautiful day, lots of sunshine, and we'll climb to about 65. But again, the winds are going to put that chill on the air. Radar clear for Texas. We move east, and you can see a lot of heavy rain moving into Georgia tonight. Even some snow. Look at this. Up around Lubbock, up near the Ramos Ranch.
Yeah, Mom said it was very cold.
Mom said very cold.
Said it was very cold.
Mom getting snow up at the Ramos Ranch?
Well, not yet, but I did see, I was telling you earlier, close to the Tech baseball field, there was reports of snow up there, and that's north Lubbock, so yeah.
I just dozed off for a minute. What? Are you? Okay.
Listen, the
all right,
snow
I gotta wrap this up.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right, so we've got a time change this weekend. Mid-40s and mid-60s. The numbers won't change, but sunny on Saturday, cloudy on Sunday. Don't forget the clocks. And spring break looking really good. Chance of rain coming in by Thursday.